Let's see how you can actually build website AI agents or chat widgets that can handle customer support inquiries using AI, collect and send lead information to the pipelines, notify human agents of new leads, or transfer to the human agents when needed. So here I'm in a demo account and we are going to see how to build a website AI chat widget for your own business. For an example, here in the AI Hub, we have already created an AI agent for this specific business called as Bug Shield Pro Pest Control. So this is a pest control business, but this can simply work for any type of business. So here we have all the information about that specific company right here. Apart from that, we also have some prompts as well. So it says you are a customer support assistant to this particular company. Keep your responses 1 to 2 sentences. And also we have an AI function which is called as a request pest control services. I will show this in a minute. So here for the AI function we have the prompt as well. Service request. When a customer requests a code, schedules a service or inquires about pest control, first ask for their zip code to confirm if it is within the service area. If eligible, to use a request pest control AI function to collect the necessary details. So here, if I click on cancel over here and go to AI tools, AI functions, here you can find the AI function related to request pest control services. So here we actually collect customer details like name, phone number, zip code, and also the type of pest issue as well. And then once we collect all these details, we actually send them this confirmation message saying one of the agent will contact them, and also this particular flow as well which says a pest control services confirmation. So let me show that flow as well. Go to flows section. Here you can create any flows you like, and here pest control services confirmation. Here we have some actions of adding the contact to the pipelines, assigning the conversation to the agents, and also you can notify the agents as well. Suppose if they have activated the SMS or any other channels notification, they will receive this information right as the notification text as well, so they can see all these details over there and contact them as soon as possible as well. So here the first is about adding the contact to the pipeline. So here you can actually create any pipelines you wish and add them to specific stages. So here for this specific case, we actually add them to new inquiry stage. So let me show that as well before we show the live demo over there. Yeah, if I go to the pipelines, here we have created the pipeline. So you can actually create pipelines as you like, rename this one. So here we have different stages. So when a new lead submits their inquiry or submits their information for a new pest service request, then those will be added right here. And for example, let's say you have scheduled the inspections with those leads, you can simply move those leads right here. So likewise, you can simply move those leads right from a code sent, service in progress up to job completed. And here you can create any stages you like, you can rename them as you like, and you can do any customizations you like as well. Let's activate this AI agent over here. So make sure to make this as the default agent. All right, and you have to go to settings over here, integrations, and make sure OpenAI ChatGPT auto replace switched on as well. All right, save it. So here let me create a welcome message as well. So let me create a new flow, and let me say welcome this particular company over here, and let me add a welcome message as well. For example, let me say thanks for visiting our website, how can I help you today? So let me add this message as well. So now let's go ahead and create the web chat. So go to the web chats option over here. Here you will see this particular template already installed on your account. You can simply make a duplicate of this one over here, and here you can add the business name. So the business name is this one, and here the welcome message, you can choose the welcome message which is welcome, this one we just created. And here if you want to install this on a website, most probably you have to add your website address over here, and here you can add the settings as well, and here you can choose a specific color as well. For example, let me choose this color. All right, and click save. So here this is the duplicate. So let me rename this one as this is specific company name. All right, so now you have to click on get code over here. Okay, it has been copied. So now go to customize right here and paste that basic code. So you can right click and paste it, or simply click on paste. Alright, the code has been pasted, and here you see the chat widget right here with the colors you set up as well. For example, if you want to change this welcome message, instead of click here to chat with us, let me change as chat with us. And here if you want to change the color, add specific backgrounds, you can do that as well. So here let me change the color to like this. If you want to add the gradient to this specific color, you can do that. So here you can add the gradient color as you wish. You can do tons of customizations right here. And another important thing is that you can even change this icon to a different icon URL as well. So you can simply paste the icon image link over here, and you can change the icon URLs as you like. And another thing is that you can automatically set this to automatically open in few seconds as well. For example, when a visitor visit your website and browse through the website, you can wait for a few seconds and then automatically open this chat widget and send them a message as well. From there, you can actually initiate a conversation, collect their details, and do much more. So here let me activate these settings, and here by default it says 5 seconds. So in 5 seconds this will automatically open and send us a message over here. So it says, thanks for visiting our website, how can I help you today? So here the company name is right here as well. So now if I send any sort of messages, it will simply respond to us. For example, what services do you provide? So here let me ask about the services they provide and see what sort of response we are receiving. So it says we offer residential and commercial pest control, including these are things right here. All right, so let me say I'm interested in termite control. How can we get started? So let me send this and see how this actually works. So here it simply asks me to provide the zip code to confirm we service your area. Go to the AA hub, and if I open the AA agent over here, they service only on these areas are right here. So if I provide a zip code something different, then it will say we are not servicing on this specific area. So let me provide a zip code related to some other area which they are not providing the service. So let's see what sort of response we are receiving over here. Sorry, it says sorry, we don't service this zip code, this one. We cover only these areas, and also it simply have connected you with a human agent who can help you with referrals or next steps. So here at this case it is sorry, we don't service this particular zip code area, and we cover only these areas. And also it automatically connected them to the human agent as well, who can help with next steps or referrals. So here if you go to the inbox over here you see the bot is active is not here. So here usually you see bot is active. For this conversation you don't see that, but here you can also filter these conversations, which are the conversations all conversation, and which are the conversation handled only by bot, and which are the conversation handled by human. So if you choose human, then you will see this particular conversation right here, and from here a human agent can easily send any sort of messages they like as well. So if you want to transfer this chat back to the bot, you can simply click on this icon, and now it's actually transferred to the bot. So now if you go to the bot folder, you should see that chat right here, and it says bot is active as well. So now if I send a different message, so let me see. So just for the demo, let me say actually I need the service in this particular area. Let's see what happens over here, and we have actually activated the bot as well. So it says please provide your zip code in this particular area, whether you want to terminate inspection or immediate treatment. We provide the zip code that matches that specific area, and let's see how this actually works over here. So now it simply asks me to provide my full name, the best phone number, and confirm whether you want a termite inspection or immediate treatment. So here let me provide the full name. Sure, my name is John Justin, and my phone number is 917-243-5673. I want termite inspection. Alright, so here I have provided all these details. Let's see what happens over here. It says, thanks John, we have submitted your termite inspection request to an agent, and we will contact you soon at specific phone number to confirm scheduling. So now if I go to the inbox and let me refresh the chat over here, we should see all the customer details. John Justin, this is the phone number they have provided, and the pest issue is termite inspection, and this is the zip code. And as you can see here, this is assigned to Henry Allen as well. And if you go to the pipelines over here, you should see a new contact has been added. So now if I open here, they have been added right here, along with the Henry Allen has been assigned. And here you can find all their details as well. You can even access inbox right from these pipelines as well, and send any sort of messages to the user as you like. So here, let's say you have scheduled the inspection with this particular customer, then you can actually move them right here. And here, if you want to add any sort of values, you can do that as well. For example, if you click on this opportunity value, and you can add any values you like. For example, let's say $3,000, and click save. So the value will get updated right here. And if you refresh the page, here it says 3,000, and the total opportunity value will be right here as well. So likewise, if you send a code, you can do that as well. And likewise, you can actually track multiple leads from multiple channels. And it is very easier to keep everything organized as well. So now, if you're wondering how to install this specific chat widget on your website, you have to simply scroll down right here, and you see final chat widget code for your website with all the customizations you have made right here, including gradient color, automatically opens, setting the welcome message, etc, etc. So you have to simply scroll down and copy this code and simply install this code on your website. That's it. So for example, if I create a landing page element and show you, for example, let me open this welcome message, create a new landing page element, and here let me say headline, and this is say this is your website. And if you want to install the code, you can simply install HTML code over there. So code and paste that. All right, I have pasted it. So now let me publish this one and preview this landing page. And here this is the website, and here you see the chat widget. In 5 seconds, it will automatically open and send us the welcome message as well. We receive the welcome message right here. So if you want to send different welcome messages over there, you can use AI, or you can use conditions tags to send different welcome messages when they visit again and again as well. So there are tons of possibilities over here, and that's a quick video on how you can easily build website AI agents for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.